Are you ready for the next big thing in online shopping? It is a whole new way to shop on Amazon, with the incredible power of AI taking shopping to the next level. And this AI magic is about to make your online shopping faster, easier, and way smarter than you've ever imagined. And it's already arrived. Amazon's AI assistant, Rufus. You will find Rufus on Amazon right now, and it's about to transform how you shop. It's like your super smart, all-knowing personal shopping advisor. Rufus gives smart recommendations, answers your questions, compares products on the spot, and a lot more. Picture this. You're looking to buy a pair of running shoes, but instead of scrolling endlessly, you simply ask Rufus, "What should I consider when buying running shoes?" Bam! Rufus lays out the key features for you: cushioning, arch support, durability, and then handpick shoes that match exactly what you need. It's like having an expert guide right in your pocket. Or say you're stuck between two TV options, OLED or QLED. Just ask Rufus to compare them. In seconds, you get a detailed breakdown on screen brightness, color quality, and even price differences. It's like Rufus is sitting there, helping you make the best choice, saving you time and stress. Here's where things get even cooler. You will also get AI-powered review summaries. No more looking through endless reviews, shifting from positive reviews to negative ones, and getting all muddled up. Rufus condenses customer feedback into quick highlights, so you get the best and worst in a flash. Imagine getting the key points of dozens or hundreds of reviews in seconds. This is time-saving genius. Want to know what's trending right now? Just ask Rufus, and it'll show you the hottest products in any category, like home decor or tech. This AI isn't just about functionality. It's about discovering what's hot and what people are loving right now. And it's amazing at finding hidden gems. If you spot something you love, Rufus can show you similar or complementary items, like finding the perfect coffee grinder to go with your new espresso machine. Rufus helps you with shopping anything and everything, and also finding fabulous products that you would never find normally. Do you have essentials you reorder often? Rufus is on it, reminding you when it's time to restock or suggesting items that fit your buying history and preferences. This isn't just AI, it's an intuitive, personalized shopping assistant that's smart and always learning what you want with every interaction. Here are a few tips to get the best out of Rufus. Start with specific questions, like "What's the best option for?" or "Can you compare?" Rufus loves details, so the more precise you are, the more it can help. And as you use it, Rufus learns and tailors the experience to you. Every shopping trip just gets better. So that's Rufus, your AI-powered shopping assistant, bringing ease, insights, and excitement to your Amazon shopping. Give it a try, see the magic for yourself, and let us know in the comments how it changes your shopping game. We can't wait to hear about it. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top. And stay tuned for more videos like this one. Also, do share your own tips and insights about Rufus in the comments section below.